I'm old Sneelock. Today I'm going to show you how I put a new cord on this soldering iron. Since it was stored in my barn over the other house, the mice got to the cord, so I had to replace it. Now it's as good as new. I'll show you how I did it. First thing we have to do is disassemble. This is a Weller D-550 240 325 watt soldering iron. Because I had it in a workshop that was outside, it was accessible for mice. Mice who ate the cord off. Now the cord's been replaced a couple of times already. I'm going to replace it again today. Doesn't take long. Simple operation. Couple of wires on the switch, and we're good to go. Take the old wire off. Clean out all the junk. We take our donor cord, and trim the ends. This is zip cord. Pretty easily cut, and then to spread it further you just tear it open. We're going to manufacture a crimp-on connector. Make sure both wires are securely through it. Blue dot, blue crimp. Cut off the excess. The right angle bend is there to help secure the wire so that it doesn't get pulled out as easily. Now I'm going to clean the connections. Down inside the bottom of the sockets, these two pieces of copper get pushed against the flats in the bottom. So we're going to make sure we have a good connection. These get overheated and get oxided, especially after they've set for a while. So I'm going to sand these down a little bit before we put them back in. Doesn't take much. Nice and shiny bright copper. Now we just roll them up into the fitting so that they pop out the side. Start the threads. Tighten them up the rest of the way with a 7/16 wrench. Okay, let's plug it in and try this thing. Working perfect. There, that's all there is to it. Back in action again, another project done. Thanks for watching.